Haixing, Tianjin is a professional cold roll forming machine manufacturer. We are Alibaba Golden Supplier, also got approved by CE and ISO Certificate Authority. We have been focusing on this field more than 22 years. Customers are all over the world, such as Germany, the United States, Mexico, Peru, Chile, Guatemala, Colombia, Bolivia, Brazil, Kuwait, Indonesia, South Africa, and other different regions. Main machine includes roof roll forming machine, light keel roll forming machine, floor deck roll forming machine, purlin machine, leveling and slitting machine, metal fence roll forming machine, gutter roll forming machine, downspout roll forming machine, door frame machine, shutter door roll forming machine, highway guardrail roll forming machine, and other related construction equipment. We have extensive experience in the needs of different countries, such as profile drawing, operation languages, thickness range, instruction manual, installation, after-sales online support. Our equipment is mainly of medium and high configuration, such as famous brand PLC and motor, frequency converter, long service life, remote control, multifunctional, energy saving. Company tenet: technological innovation, customer center, win-win situation. We owned professional design team, professional export team, and professional after-sales team. Thank you for your trust and choice. We will provide you with the best service support and help you achieve greater success. Looking forward to more cooperation with new and old friends from all over the world. Join between of us. Do our best for each other.
We are manufacturer of cold roll forming machine. Welcome to contact us.